Welcome to my home. So, Dila.
Syafiq.
And what's your name? Iman again. So, the whole inspiration is more like modern mid-century, I would say. We wanted more of the colors. We also wanted something more minimalistic. So, things that we can, basically less furniture so that, this kid can run around. Forefront technically wasn't the first idea because we had something in mind initially, and that was our first decision. But then somehow at the back of my head, and also being an accountant, I was like, okay, let's do more research. Let's just look around. We don't have to go with them, but just see what they can offer. So eventually, I think Syafiq, who is our interior designer, kind of blew us away with the portfolio. I guess also with the whole how Forefront actually displayed their ideas. We really fell in love with all that. I think I'm torn between the living room because I think we watched a lot of shows, especially with the whole lockdown. It's back-to-back movies, so trying to keep him company and trying to spend like more family time, but very home-based. Second would be my kitchen, so it's actually right there. Basically because the lockdown made me realize that I really like baking, so I bake quite a lot. I bake, I don't know, every other weekend. He is that idea. He did a whole mood board, the colors. I'm the accountant, I'm the yes, no. It's like, I like this, no, yes, I like this. And then he kind of made that changes. He put a lot of suggestion. I guess same thing as Syafiq. She provides some ideas, a bit of mood board, a bit of ideas what she's currently running, what have they been doing. So we like the whole idea of that. Very satisfied. I think the longer that we also stay here, the more we're like, oh, Syafiq, we want to change this. How do we think about it? For example, our tabletop, we realized that we should have done quartz instead because me being also not very OCD, I tend to scratch part of it. So we're like, oh, Syafiq, how much does it cost to make the quartz? We want to change a bit of the toilet. How much does it cost? So obviously, there's always room for improvement anywhere. But so far, we're really, really very happy. Again, with the service, with the costing, with the ideas and whatnot. Yeah. Do not settle on your first decision. Always have at least 3 quotations. Always shop around for 3 different ideas, and then see what works best for you. And be more flexible because sometimes the ideas that come from the interior designer is based on their experiences, and because they have more experiences like ourselves, I think we just have to be open and hear them out too. Yeah. Bye. Bye.
Thank you. See you again.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.